welcome to my channel, Days with Darlene. I'm Darlene, and the man behind the camera is my amazing husband, Walter. So today we're going to be talking about how to spruce up your place on a budget, something that my husband and I quickly learned when we moved in together. So let me give you a little bit of a background story. My husband and I have been married for 4 years, and when we moved in together, we didn't buy anything new besides a couch. Everything that we brought into our place was stuff that he already had, stuff that I already had, or just stuff that people gave us. So pretty much we had a very strange concoction of different colors, furniture, just mismatched furniture, just a bunch of different things. And 4 years later to now, we decided during quarantine that we wanted to really enjoy where we lived and just kind of be able to walk around and enjoy looking at everything around our home. So we decided to start redecorating and investing in a couple different pieces.
I just really want to add to what Darlene just said right now. Our thought process was this: look, if we're gonna be at home because of stay at home and the quarantine, we might as well really enjoy where we're at, right? So that's why we decided to redecorate the place a little bit, and that's what we did.
So my husband and I live in a pretty small 1-bedroom apartment here in the San Fernando Valley, LA County. And things can be pretty pricey here in LA. If you live in LA, things are expensive, taxes are expensive. So we really wanted to spend as little as possible, but make our place look really nice. So one of the very first tips that I have for you is to sell everything you don't want, all your old things, just everything you are trying to get rid of. Sell it, sell it, sell it. Believe me, somebody out there wants to buy your stuff. One man's junk is another man's treasure. Don't forget that. So my tip number one is to sell your old things. You can use Facebook Marketplace, you can use OfferUp or Let Go. There's a ton of other platforms that you can use to sell things, but these are my top 3 favorites, Marketplace being my number 1 go-to. So if you haven't heard of these places, basically Facebook Marketplace is on Facebook. It is literally a marketplace on Facebook where you can post pictures and information and prices of things that you are trying to sell, and then people contact you that live within your area to see if they can purchase your item. OfferUp and Let Go work the same way, but they're apps that you download on your phone, and you also post pictures, post information, and people contact you. It does take some time to sell things sometimes, but it's definitely worth the wait. Literally everything that my husband and I bought and used to decorate our home was money that we made off of everything that we sold. So what did we sell? We sold old furniture, we sold old clothes, we sold random things that we had. Just, everyone has random things lying around their house. And once we sold all of that, we had a pretty good budget to work with. So I did want to start with our couch. But let me tell you a really sad story about our old couch. Our old couch was brand new when we moved in, but then we decided to get an adorable little puppy who decided it would be fun to trash our couch. So basically it took us quite some time to potty train her, and she liked to go on our couch, and she went often. We did try to remove the stains and wash it and all that, but at the end of the day, our couch just was pretty nasty, and we had a blanket over it, and we were just using that same couch. So after some convincing, my husband finally decided, okay, let's get a new couch. And couches are really expensive. So number one, I sold my old couch. We actually sold it for half of what we bought it for, which is pretty good considering that it was 4 years old and kind of beat up. But somebody bought it, and we were able to use that money towards investing in our new couch. One of the budget tips I have for purchasing a couch is make sure it's something that's gonna work in the long run. So this particular couch is actually from IKEA, and we bought it for 2 main reasons. One reason being we can actually remove the covers and wash it. So we can keep it for years and years, and even if it gets dirty, we can wash it. IKEA also does sell new covers, so that's also great. We wouldn't have to buy a whole new couch. And then the other reason we bought it was this couch actually comes with, or you can purchase extra pieces to make your couch bigger. So in the future, when we move into a house, we can keep this couch and just buy additional pieces to make it bigger to fit our new space. So it's really a practical couch to have. My other tip for sprucing up your place on a budget is actually couch pillows. Throw pillows, any kind of pillow. they really add to your place. Like this couch was honestly pretty plain without any pillows, but we were able to get some really cute pillows. We got these at Target, and pillows are usually like under $20. So we bought these for like 20 bucks from Target, and then we just added like a little pop of color. Because a couch is like kind of a central piece to your living room, adding little like pillows here and there to your couch really makes a big difference in how your like home decor looks. And then another thing that really helps is a throw, like a pop of color throw. This was also a really good bargain find. We actually got this from Macy's. It was originally like $90, but we got it on sale for 30 bucks. So a pretty good deal for a throw blanket. And it just, again, it just looks really cute on the couch, really spices things up. This blanket we have on here is honestly for the sole purpose of keeping this little one from dirtying it. So we just keep it on here, but again, it's really white underneath. So we thought it looks pretty cute, added some texture to the couch, and it'll help preserve our couch for a little bit more time. So, okay, moving on to my other tip for sprucing up your place on a budget is Amazon. I love Amazon so much. So actually my whole outfit is from Amazon, but we can do another video on that. Comment down below if you want me to do that. So these are actually from Amazon. They are Bohemian Macombre. I don't know how to say it. I think it's Macombre, but it's just like this Mohibi. Oh my God, now I can't say Mohibian. How do you say Mohibian?
Bohemian.
What did I say? Combine the word.
I would like to buy
And they just kind of add a little bit of, you know, spice to the wall, make it not look so white and boring because we didn't want to paint the walls. And they were a really good price, so they're really cute too. Another thing that we purchased from Amazon, and I'm going to pause on this one for a moment, but furniture. Furniture is so inexpensive on Amazon. We actually bought this piece. It's an entryway piece from Amazon. I love the color. I love the style. We were able to sell our previous entryway, you know, storage area to purchase this one. This one was, I think it was like $100 or just slightly under $100. And let me tell you, Amazon furniture is actually really underrated. It's probably not the best quality, and it's probably not going to last me about 20 years. But like I mentioned earlier, we are planning to buy a house in the future. So most of our furniture is probably not going to work with our new space, or we're just going to want to get new furniture anyway. So it's not like we're planning to keep this for that long, and it looks cute and it works and it functions for what we need it to in the meantime. So definitely check out Amazon for furniture and for home decor. You can save a lot of money. Another idea to spruce up your home is to check out places like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. These are like my 3 favorite stores. I can go through and like browse for hours and find all kinds of goodies. So I actually found this mirror there, which this mirror is typically really expensive, but I found it at TJ Maxx for a really good price. And then these little tiny accents that just kind of add a little bit of pizzazz to your home. So another thing that I found at Home Goods was this cute little wicker basket. And it really it adds to your place, and it was really at a low cost. I actually searched in other places for this and it was kind of pricey, but I found it at Home Goods for under $20, and I thought it was so cute to just put like throw blankets in here and whatnot. And I like that it has a cover so it keeps things, you know, from getting dusty over time. But this is just another little piece that adds to your home. Another awesome TJ Maxx find was this guy, this gorgeous little poof. So funny thing, we actually saw these and fell in love with them, but they were really expensive, like really expensive. And then we found this at TJ Maxx and we had to buy them. We actually got 2 of them and they really go nicely with our place. Plus it gives extra seating and whatnot. So it's definitely worth it to spend some time looking at TJ Maxx. And a tip on going to like Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods is check out stores in different locations, because different locations carry different things. So that's what I do. My husband and I, we go to different locations just kind of around where we live. And then whenever we are farther away, we'll take advantage and we'll look around there too, because they carry different things. So you never know what you're gonna find. Another Amazon find was this entertainment center, which we loved so much. It kind of goes with the other piece that we bought from Amazon. Just to reiterate, Amazon has really good prices for their furniture. This was like $100 again, and it works so perfectly for what we needed to do for the years that we're gonna be here. Another tip for how to spruce up your home is plants. Now, if you're like me and you suck at taking care of plants, I tried really hard, you guys. Whoa. I tried really hard to keep, oh my God, okay. If you suck at taking care of plants like I do, go for the artificial plants. They are so cute, and if you put them around your home, it really adds a lot to your home. So I found this one at TJ Maxx. You can find them at Michael's, Home Goods, all those places, but they are really, really cute. And again, they just kind of brighten up your place, and you don't have to worry about watering them because I suck. Candles are also a really cute way to kind of add a little extra to your home. You can get different colors, and then of course they smell so good. Love candles, putting them just all around your house. One of my last tips for sprucing up your home on a budget is artwork. Okay, I love artwork, but artwork can be really, really expensive. So I recently discovered that Etsy has really cute art for a really affordable price. So we actually just purchased these 3 pieces from Etsy, and they look absolutely adorable. We framed them in a really affordable IKEA frame, and I loved it. So what Etsy does is, or certain Etsy shops do, is they sell you like the files so that you can print them yourself. So we actually got all 3 of these for $17, printed them ourselves from CVS, and then bought really cute frames, and they add so much to our space. This wall was so plain and boring before, now it just looks really, really cute. So anyway, guys, these are all my tips for how to spruce up your home on a budget. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you guys have any tips yourself, please comment down below. We're actually not done remodeling our place. We have a couple of different pieces that we are still trying to sell and change up, so I'd love to hear what your tips are. Hey guys, so we just reviewed the footage we shot, and I realized I forgot to mention something really, really important. My husband and I are really big on managing our money and just debt-free living. And a really big tip that I have for you is whatever you do, do not put anything on a credit card. Save up for it. So if you can't sell things and make the money you need, save, save, save. And it'll be so worth it to be able to decorate your house and spruce it up without having put anything on a credit card. It's just not worth it, trust me. But if you guys are interested in another home decor video, comment down below and maybe we'll give you a tour of our bedroom and bathroom. Also, be on the lookout for our balcony makeover. We redid our entire balcony and it's awesome. So I will share it with you guys in the next few videos to come. See you guys.